at the IMS show with the Blacksmith Motoring channel. Looking at our 2003 Suzuki Volusia L Patron. Doing initial setup with the Ultimate Builder series. We'll walk you through here, getting a little sneak behind, quick peek of what's going on. Really cool stuff here. Definitely ask everybody to come out to DC to support us. Great looking bike, great looking setup. You know, we do a little bit differently. Right by the voters booth. What's cool about it, if you go to the voters booth, but you go right around the corner, it's our secondary bike. Vaquero once again on the Ultimate Builder series. Come out, hang with us today in DC. Once again, I'm senior designer Gio, Blacksmith Motor, and I'll be here. I want to send a special thanks out to Condor for supplying us with pit stops for both bikes. Help secure them on display. Don't have to worry about them at all. And we look to see you guys soon.